Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Caleb here with Shadow Wind Apiaries. So you think you want to be a beekeeper. So today we're going to harvest some honey. Stay tuned. Here's one frame of honey. We're going to harvest completely capped. We're going to go ahead and bring this out. We're not selling this honey, so it's personal use. Okay, so we decide to go with the crush and strain method. So basically you just take a spatula, go all the way in, and just squish all that juicy. This is foundationless. That just changed everything. I didn't know that. I'm already in it, so.
Honey.
That's why it's flowing good. This is what it's all about. So you think you want to be a beekeeper.
How you feeling on your first extraction of honey?
Feeling good.
First harvesting, I mean.
It's good.
Yeah.
But it is hot.
It is real hot in here, but that's also helping the honey flow.
Exactly. That's what it's all about, y'all, right there.
A golden nectar.
So this is it, the final stage in the bottle. So make sure you like and subscribe. And once again, so you think you want to be a beekeeper?